Okay, we're back on the record on the People versus Dwight Dooley, ticket number U 637-636-22. Count one, receiving and admitting another for an act of prostitution. Good morning. Again, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Jaffe.
Yes, Your Honor. May it please the court. My name is Jack Jaffe, and I appear on behalf of Mr. Dwight Dooley. Dwight Dooley.
Mr. Dooley, again, can you say your name, sir?
Dwight Dooley.
All right, there is an offer of reducing this to disorderly conduct with a sentence or a plea agreement of 6 months reporting or 6 months probation, then HIV testing. We wouldn't have to know the results, just the fact that you completed the testing, and then the court is going to also order that Mr. Dooley participate in the misdemeanor morality course. So does your client wish to avail himself to that offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so with that, Mr. Dooley, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Say that again, I couldn't hear you, sir.
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Jaffe today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of January 27, 2022 at approximately 3:36 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Conant and McNichols in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you engage in disorderly conduct?
Yes.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Jaffe?
Yes, Your Honor.
Also satisfied with the factual basis. We'll amend the original count to disorderly conduct. We'll proceed to sentencing. Was there anything that you wanted to argue on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client is 73. He is a veteran of both the Vietnam War as well as the war in Iraq. He was honorably discharged. And he suffers from PTSD, and he actively participates in the Pontiac Center VA. He sees a therapist every Wednesday. He's married. He's been married for over 35 years. He's a homeowner in the Tri-County, and he recognizes the consequences of his actions, and he accepts the consequences of his actions.
Was there anything that you wanted to say, Mr. Dooley?
No.
Okay. Well, thank you for your service, sir. But the court is going to, again, order the 6 months probation, which is adopting the recommendation of the prosecution. You do need to participate in HIV, STI testing. We don't need to know the results, just the fact that you did participate in that testing. And then the court is also going to order that you participate in the misdemeanor morality course. I do have a phone number for that, so whenever you're ready, you can, I'll give you the phone number.
Ready, Your Honor.
It's 313-864-8205. And give me one moment. And then there's also going to be a fine of $200 that needs to be paid by the end of your probationary period. I'm going to give you a date in 6 months that you need to come back. That will be December 8th.
December 8th, Your Honor.
At 8:35.
Thank you.
questions?
No questions.
Okay, you're all set. Oh,
Okay.
did you need the number for probation?
Yes, that'll be, so, yes.
313-965-3414.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Mr. Jaffe. Good luck, Mr. Dooley.
Thank you.
And Mr. Petway,
Yes.
I did write on the wrench matter and Rosen, Rosen